Thank you for tuning in. This is the fourth temple on the Shikoku pilgrimage, Dainichi-ji. We enter via a garden-style approach path. Ahead is the bell tower gate, which was rebuilt in 2018 and decorated with cloud patterns from Toji, the head temple. The bell inside is from the old gate. The inner path was also rebuilt in 2018. Follows a garden-style layout that pairs harmoniously with the pond on the left. The horn door, built in 1649, stands at the end of the path. The principal deity is kept inside a jushi, with a wooden statue of Dainichi-ji placed in front for worship. A corridor on the right side of the horn door leads to the Daishi door, where 33 Kannon statues are enshrined. They were donated by devotees from across Japan during the Meiwa era. These Kannon statues were first restored in 2014 with cleaning, repainting, and crack repair. Much of their original look remains intact. At the end of the corridor is the Daishi door, built in 1863. Inside, a statue of Kobo Daishi is enshrined, along with two portraits painted by former abbot, Manabe Shunsho, Daishi of the night and Daishi of the day. Lastly, we look at the statues of Binulu and Benjien. The Benjien statue was donated in 1971 and weighs more than 300 kilograms, including the pedestal. Meanwhile, the Binulu statue was repainted in 2023 using cashew lacquer, giving it a glossy surface. The fourth temple presents a distinct aesthetic. Its decorations and layout reflect deliberate artistic intent. These changes were led by former abbot Manabe Shunsho, a Buddhist aesthetic scholar with expertise in heritage preservation and Buddhist painting. He oversaw the Heisei renovation project, which brought a new visual identity and refined aesthetic to the temple. In recognition of his contributions to Buddhist art, culture, and temple restoration, he was awarded the rank of Gondai Shojo, the second highest monastic title in Japanese Buddhism. Turning to the temple itself, it feels like a compact and elegant garden. The horn door and Daishi door can be glimpsed through small windows at the front, revealing interiors arranged with delicate precision. Although the principal image is not on public display, photos from its 2017 unveiling can be found online. The 33 Kannon statues are placed along the corridor, each representing a principal deity from the Shikoku Kannon pilgrimage, lined in order with varied expressions. The temple's official website offers detailed explanations and high-resolution images, well worth exploring before a visit. That's all for this episode. Thank you for watching.